This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 26RBL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, external shower, stovetop burner, water heater, awning, LP detector, spare tire kit, microwave, refrigerator, oven, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 26RBL is 6,143 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.